Morning everyone. Right, the sketchiness starts. Nearly forgot to record it. But I'm jacking this up. You can see. Jacking it up. But it's slipped forward and all sorts is going on. Sit in the back of the cab. That leg don't look straight anymore. It's like it's because it's so jacked up at the back of this truck, it makes it look like it's on a hill or something. But it is going up, as can be seen along there. But it is a bit dodgy. I don't know if this like going to be good enough, strong enough. See, that leg don't look too bad, does it? It looks quite straight. I haven't even started jacking the back up yet. I don't really have to take them up a lot, I don't think. It's just when you take the weight off it, it goes up even higher. It's got like 5 leaf springs on it. But yeah, I don't know how level it is at the moment. Probably not very level. Still got to go up more at the front yet to get it up level. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Winding the handles. Waiting for it to fall on the floor. Yeah, this leg here definitely don't look straight. But might be the ground. If I can get it up enough, I can wedge something in like that or something. I've got something a bit longer, I can go right across. But at the moment, that gap's a bit small to get anything into it. So, if I go to wind it, do a bit on the other side. Yeah, I don't really want it to drop on the floor, so this one's gone nice and easy now. Going up, can you see it going up? How much we gone up? Well, I might be able to get that bar through there just in case now. All good fun on your own. It's only 7:27 in the morning. No one else about. Is it going to be long enough to go through? Probably not. No, it's not. Oh, okay. Should have measured that, shouldn't I, before even attempting it. Oh, let's get this in now. If it fits. Oh, it's gone through. Come on, one-handed. All right. So is this one? It's gone easy again. Oh, it's all creaking and everything. Try and get this across more. If it falls, it's only going to fall that far. Alright, back on the other side. Alright, it's going stiff. Seems to be working. Get that there. It's going up. Look at that. That leg's still straight. The trouble is as well, this floor sort of dips off down there. I don't know if you can see the. So as the front of the truck goes down, the back of the truck goes high. I've done this before with this truck. I'm always doing something. I'm always getting myself in loads of situations. Bloody madman, and I want to just leave things alone. But yeah, so she's going up. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, see it move? She moved, she slipped. I might wait for someone else to come in and give me a hand, keep an eye on it. Pack that up with something a bit better than that now. Now do I start taking the back up a bit? That's when it gets well sketchy, isn't it? Don't want it to fall on the floor. Wreck everything. I might wait for my mate to come in. He's got a big long spirit level. Whack that on it, see if I can keep it up straight and level. But yeah, it's definitely a job I don't really like doing. So when you undo that, well, bring that up a bit. Let's go around here. So they're tight, they're feeling tight, so front's got to go up a bit more. And then the next big thing is getting it off these stands, getting it down onto the floor. That'd be trolley jacks and all sorts going on then, I think. Another sketchy job. Alright, be back in a bit. Alright, so I've been using level on it, and we have moved that much, but it's still it just wants to go up more. Oh, blimey. I'm trying to roll it back, just putting a little block underneath the tyre. Seeing it, obviously the ground goes down a bit, and then that gap. What's that catching? That bolt, is it? What's catching then? Oh, that bloody thing. Great. Get that out, haven't I? Right, so I thought I'd move forward. I've got to go back again. Hang on, sorry about that. Try and get this bolt back through that hole there. Somehow. Come on. I want it to drop into that hole. Oh, one-handed. Why don't I just pull it out the bloody top now? It's straight up. What an idiot. Right. Let's pull it forward a bit. Just keep an eye on that back. Keep an eye on that back. Because as the front drops, the back raises. It's the wood on the other side. Move it forward a bit. See what? Come on, truck. I don't know if you can see that over there, that's closing up. Starting to scrape again. Because this concrete's bloody all over the place. So we're starting to touch again there now. Just that side. I sort of had this level. trying to keep it level. Right. You have a little bit more space there. Got 2 bits of wood on the floor. I've got to keep swapping sides. It's going to scrape on the other side again. The last time I've done this, I think did I end up taking the wheels off it? I let the tyres down and drove it sort of out, but then jacked the front of the motor up and everything. Now it's starting to touch again. What a bugger. Right, I'm going to put you down for a minute because I want to get that level out and raise the whole thing again. Right, that much off. Trolley jack underneath, trying to raise this front up a little bit because it dips down here. Every time it dips down a bit more, it gets closer and closer and closer. I've just raised the jack. Look at the angle of the truck. So, just doing a little bit at a time, just moving this bit of wood out. I'm just hoping and praying that that jack carries on rolling and don't be a pain. Well, finally it is out. I didn't bother filming it, it was too sketchy and that I couldn't concentrate. I had to let the tyres down on the back of the truck, put all blocks of wood out there and try and level it up. Not the best ground to be doing it on with that dip there. But yeah, now I've got to try and get it down onto the floor because I can't leave it like that. It's just taking up loads of room in here, isn't it? So that box is going there. The Metro can go there and the truck can come here, and then I've got somewhere to work and all. So now it's that leg's as low as it can go. So it's sort of at the front as well, as low as it can go. I've come up with this sketchy idea. Some tyres up, well, wheels and tyres under there. I'm going to try and jack it up, get these legs out, because obviously you don't go any lower than that. Lower it onto them, go around the front, do something around the front. I've got this, I don't know what you call them, lift thing. But it's only designed to lift 300 kilograms. But I think it's, I don't know. It's all guesswork, isn't it? It's all guesswork. So I think get these legs out of the back. Oh God, here we go. Because that's loose, and that one's loose. That back in there. So these can come out. Got that. So that's out. Put that there. I'm going to tip over. I'm going to put it down there. Like that. And now we're just balancing on a couple of trolley jacks. Get this one out. Like that. Put that there. So yeah, balancing on trolley jacks. I've got to lower it. Oh, it's well sketchy this. Could do with lowering it a little bit. Not so much as that really. One go. What we got? What we got? Another bit of that. It's hard with one hand. Alright. So, look at that, wobbly wobbly. I'm going to put you down for a minute. You're going to be able to see. Watch a whole lot of come tumbling down and take you out and all. What can you see? Alright. I should lower that front a bit. Right, just lowered the front a little bit, not a lot, hardly noticeable. That's where it all comes down. We're all going down, open up the front. Level are we? I don't know what you can see. Not bad. Hang on, actually. Just there. Bad. Just seems a long way to go. Loose? No, don't go down anymore. It's all on that. No, it ain't. I need to get these legs out really. Look at how much it's wobbling. Oh, I've still got a long way to go on that back. If I tilt that like that on that back, will that be alright? Take it all the way to that. The wallness. The thing is, I want this back. I don't want it broken.